Time forgives no one.
Get ready with me.
I've lived for nearly a century. I witnessed man's first step on the moon. I traded maps for GPS and the freedom to choose a destination. Everything changes fast. I wish bad decisions lasted only 24 hours and disappeared, like stories. But I have a constant follower, a mistake from my past that feeds my time. Life isn't what I accumulate, it's what I let go of. Now is the time to call my children and tell them that I love them, and my grandchildren even more. My legacy won't be the trace of my mistakes, but the freedom to go wherever they want. Before the fog reaches my memory, I must finish this. I came with nothing, and with nothing I will leave.